very good for me, Hannah. Good choice. You're activating one of my strongest abilities right now. Let's go play. There's somebody behind us. But he doesn't know what I look like. Imagine when I face him. You have a mask on, buddy. I look like this every day. But I'm with Hannah. We're about to go in here. And tell me why it feels like I'm about to go home. The music fits. You see, I look a certain way, right? Is it an accident? Did I fall in a crown and it colored me? No. I chose this pain. And now we're gonna find out why. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
We're here. We're here.
So this right here?
All of a sudden, for the first time tonight, Greg's demeanor changes immediately after he starts challenging the leaders, which is exactly what Father Sebastian was doing right before he fainted.
This is really weird.